See if I can get some bait. Oh, oh, he don't want to come up. That's a better one. Oh, baby. That's a better one. Oh, baby. Thank you for the follow. Yes, Jamie. I hope y'all can't hear me breathing. Phew. You're going to have to do better than that. Because I didn't have it hooked very right. You couldn't get the barb. Got old cut gizzard shad today. Well, shit. That old slimy sucker. Thank you for the follow. Got those Mondos. Not enough wind for the spot walk to work that good. We'll give them 20 more minutes and we'll move. Oh, he's in that other line. Damn it. Come on. Come up. Come on. Oh, you shithead. Two of them now. Come on. Peeling. Can y'all hear him? Peeling drag, baby. Woo! Oh, come on. He got them all. Fuck it. I need the net. Come on, baby. What we got? Woo! Oh my God! Oh my God! Come on! Get here. He's barely hooked, y'all. You motherfucker! Oh my God! Get in! I broke the net. Get me! Oh my God! This is a big. Oh my God! Get in here! What the fuck? I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Oh, oh, oh my God. Oh, body, body. Get the hook in. Barely hooked. Barely. Oh. Sis, get your dad in here. Fuck, I marked him and all. Calm down. Oh my God. Guys, oh, I know you want to see. I don't think I can pick him up. Oh my God. Nuh-uh. Oh my God. Somebody take pictures. Get pictures, everybody. I know there's no way I can weigh him. No way. No way. Uh-uh. Come on. Get in here. Thank you. Okay, I gotta sit for a minute. He bigger than 50. My PB's 58. My PB is 58. He's bigger than that. Um,
You think it's bigger than your other one?
oh yeah.
Do you want to have Grandma drive me down there? I'll help you hold it.
Yeah, I just put him in the live well.
Okay. We'll get our clothes on.
Okay.
Well,
Oh my gosh.
Shell actually had a good idea. She said take the standing scale. Do you want me to bring that one just in case we can't hold it up?
Yeah,
Bring the standing
yeah,
scale? Okay.
yeah. Call me when you're leaving. I'll meet you there.
Okay. I'm gonna get my clothes on.
Okay.
All right. Love you.
Love you. Oh. He's in the 60s, close to 70. Oh, 114 or some shit. Oh, I got a mess now. I got a mess. I'm sorry for the screaming, y'all. I forgot I had these in. I'm sorry. Was not expecting it. Thank you, Bandit. Oh,
I got your pictures.
thank you.
Yeah. Hell
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh my God.
Noisy Nancy
Chris.
you are there.
Oh, I can't believe it.
Congratulations, Nika.
Thank you.
That's a
That's a
hell of a
big boy
feat.
right there. He's got to be upper
Well, my
60s,
PB,
lower 70s.
It's
my PB's,
definitely pushing 70 at least, maybe a
Yeah, he
little
yeah.
got a
over.
big belly on him.
Oh my God, I'm shaking.
Thought you were crying for a minute.
I
I thought she was
was
gonna pass
trying,
out.
I was trying to fucking breathe.
Yeah, I thought you was gonna have to I thought we were gonna have to call 911 on you.
Look at my net.
Do you know Jamie Hudson?
He's been on here before,
Let him in.
I started to get out of the
but
truck
I
and
don't.
go throw it for bait, and you said it was taking you through lines. I was like, nope, I'm going to sit here and wait. Well worth
Yeah.
it. Awesome job. Congrats, lady.
Thank you, guys.
I didn't even know you were live.
I haven't been out here very long.
I went and clocked out for lunch, came back, opened up TikTok and saw you.
Let me tell you, I told Avis this morning. I said I'm gonna go out there, but I'm not gonna fish unless I see a big mark. Well, I
Big
seen this
Mike, her
mark.
daughter's Big Mike, her daughter's on the way with scales and everything to help her hold it and weigh it. They don't need to measure it.
Oh,
What
Oh
are you
yeah.
out from the lake?
hi.
How far is Sissy out from the lake?
5, 6 minutes.
Oh hell yeah, don't do that.
I just got to get this cleaned up first.
How far away from the ramp are you?
Probably the same, 5, 6 minutes. She'll beat me, but
I'm sitting here eating. Yeah. Dude, I'm thinking, man, before his note to the fucking noisy right.
I'm coming, y'all. Y'all are being pushy.
Take your time. We waiting for the wait.
Yeah, she's still trying to calm down.
yeah.
Come on, baby.
Oh yeah. That adrenaline
sorry.
rush
Imagine.
off the charts right now.
Baby, come here, baby.
Fishing live, Will. It's all right.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
he's good.
Oh, baby. You're not going, sugar?
That's that one you needed on Saturday and Sunday.
Amen. That's what
Oh,
me and
yeah.
Grandma was just saying.
That's the way it always goes for Avis.
Yep.
I swear, it's every time I don't go, y'all, she catches a hog.
Well, here's your sign.
Well, I wasn't feeling super great today, and I just...
I would have never
No.
come here if I wouldn't. If she was with me, I would have not come to this spot. I would have took her down to that deep shit so she could catch fish.
Yeah, sometimes you gotta have
Today,
that game plan.
well,
How
today
deep
I
was
just
he?
27,
The secret weight.
but he's up
The
on the.
secret depth.
He was laying up on the flat by the river channel.
Turn it down, though.
I call him. That
He calls it
fish
fish
Hey.
80 plus.
80 plus.
Whatever the hell that means. Call.
You did it, he said.
I did it.
And he said, Chris, you bully.
Nah.
Are you okay?
What are you gonna do the rest of the day? Now you're gonna be disappointed with everything else.
Jeremy says he knows that tree.
I'll try to catch one bigger.
You're like,
She
man,
might
this
as well
40
call it a
pound
day,
thing.
Shawty.
She probably gonna pack up and go home now.
Hell no.
Get out there, get set back up, and realize she had a gas because she used all that energy up.
I'm literally out of gas, but
Oh, Mom. What the heck?
I had fishing on my mind.
Yeah, you can't stop for gas? Hey,
You ain't been doing much fishing when you ain't got no gas in it.
What I tell you this morning,
I know, girl.
Grandma
I'm
had the
so
big fish
happy
energy.
for you.
Thank you.
I didn't get to see it because I was here at the doctor's office, so I'm gonna have to catch a recording of it. But I am so fucking happy for you.
Bring the fuel jug. She's on a roll now. It ain't got no gas in it.
Ain't got no
It's
gas.
definitely a new PB.
Why in the
yeah.
world would you not stop for gas, Mom?
I'm gonna go out and get me one this weekend.
No, she'll be alright.
Let's go, Tom. Oh,
I wanted to go yesterday, but the wind wasn't blowing good.
oh shit.
What?
Bink.
What?
Hold on, I'm gonna throw the net.
What's that?
She found
Alright,
some more
thanks,
bites.
babe.
Jeremy said my hero.
You got shad stuck in that net.
There's all kinds of shit stuck in this net, boys.
Hear a fucking truck running for no reason.
So, what are you thinking, Danica?
I don't know, honestly. I'm
See,
scared to
Can't
put.
pick it up. Got to be heavy.
I know.
I can't believe you. You must really have the adrenaline pumping. You picked that thing up like it was nothing.
No, she struggled. Didn't you hear
I
her
couldn't-
grunting?
Look
I
at them
couldn't
waders,
breathe.
man.
You couldn't breathe.
She was breathing, snorting, crying, laughing. She was doing it all.
Yeah, we could definitely hear you breathing then.
Holy
You were asking if we could hear
shit.
you breathing. Holy, what are those white perch?
It's my lucky fucking day, y'all.
Are
It
those
does.
white
That
perch?
looks like a bunch of white perch, yeah.
Yes, it
Holy-
is. Oh,
Yeah, girl, you better go get you a lottery ticket or something.
You better go get you some more
y'all
gas.
know.
Go get you a lottery ticket and some more gas and a Mountain Dew.
Oh my god.
And it doesn't have to be sugar free.
Yeah, she got a cooler.
baby.
Is that right there at the dock?
Yes,
On the ramp?
on the ramp.
All right, we're pulling up.
Okay.
Come on, get that camera angled right. Come on,
Okay, here
shot.
we go with the drum rolls.
I'm trying.
Did everyone guess on the weight?
Yeah. It's in the chat.
I need to see the fish again.
It's huge. It's got a big old belly on it.
Love you, Pookie.
Like, yeah.
I'm thinking I guess
said
probably
62 and a half. It's probably going to be bigger than that, the way that belly looks.
I said 64.5, and I think he's bigger than that.
I can't hear you very good with these on. Hold that. And that. Ooh, 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 ooh.
I'm going to say 72. Has
Not
anybody
yet.
72 yet?
No.
I think somebody did it. I don't know. Chat was going fast there.
Oh, no,
Fishing with Kev. Here we go.
What's up? What's up?
Watch it. Look at
Watch
it.
this, Give.
I've watched the whole thing.
Ah! I can't. Ow.
Wrestling match.
Don't let that fish whip you.
Lord. Shut the door. Put them on there. Put the clips on.
76.
Yeah, he's definitely in the 70s.
Put the handles out. Clear it out.
That belly didn't look that big when she was holding it the first time.
Oh, no, that belly's huge. That's a big fish. It's bigger than 60.
Yeah,
Oh, put the handles out. Wait, one more time. What's it say? 69.6. That's what I'm going with.
9.6.
Congratulations. New PB by 11 pounds.
My girl, I'm so happy for you.
69?
Oh,
Just call it 70. Fuck it.
As Brandon would say, minus -0.3 for the fish grip.
yep. I can't do no whipping, yo. Help me.
Help me.
Come on, fish, get slimy.
I want a
You
picture.
can go home, change clothes. Definitely a hell of a fish, RT.
Oh, he's biting my hand.
Yes.
RT said, great job.
Thank you.
Guys, quit sending.
Look on the other side. There he goes. Thank you, buddy.